This is hardware installation with the Shaper system. The Shaper system is the most accurate and efficient way to install hardware thanks to origin, plate, and the hardware catalog. Use it to install architectural hinges, door pulls, knockdown connectors, cabinet hardware, and more. By syncing digital templates from the hardware catalog to origin and aligning them with plate, our universal template, you'll build a library of repeatable templates you can return to again and again. First, find your template in the Shaper hardware catalog. The hardware catalog includes hundreds of digital templates for dozens of brands, including Sauce, Brusso, Bloom, Lamello, Simonswerk, and Sugatsune. These digital templates are free, accurate, and take up no additional space in your shop. Once you've found the template you're looking for, sync it with origin. Align the template to your workpiece, and cut. When cutting, you steer origin while it makes the necessary real-time adjustments to ensure clean and accurate results. Stray outside the line and the spindle will automatically and safely retract. The best way to align your templates to your workpiece is with Shaper Plate, the universal template for origin. By setting up your template along one of Plate's reference features, you can easily and repeatably align the template to your work. Just measure, mark, align, and cut. Use Plate's front fence to align to an edge for knockdown connectors and smaller hinges. Align to the center of Plate's window to install inlays, door pulls, and wardrobe hooks. You can even align to a corner using the side flags. Or use the edge mortising adapter to install hardware on the style of a door or for other large workpieces. And for cuts larger than Plate's window, Shaper Tape allows origin to install hardware of any size. The millimeter lines on Plate's surface show the distance from Plate's center point. By working from this center point, you can easily place your templates where they need to go. Side flags are located at plus and minus 70 millimeters in the X direction. And the front fence, when deployed, is located exactly 50 millimeters below center in the Y direction. Set this up once, and you'll be able to align any template quickly and repeatably. Each hardware file includes all the information you need to make a successful cut. There's no toolpath programming required. With cut encoding, Origin knows where to cut, and it easily adapts to any router bit you want to use. With Autopass, Origin automatically cuts to the final correct depth in a series of safe steps. Important geometry like hinge backset is already accounted for in every hardware file, so there's no need for complex math to place your template where you need it. We even include information such as the best bit for each job and the right screw size to use with your hardware. Every template is tested by hand with real hardware at Shaper HQ so you can be sure of accurate results. Bring CNC to your work, not the other way around. Origin's portability means you can fit doors and cabinets on site, and with a hardware catalog, there's never any need to bring material back to the shop if you need to make a fix. Even new templates are instantly accessible on the job site. No more hours spent building a template at the beginning of each job or waiting for templates to ship from the hardware manufacturer. You'll save money, too, over the hundreds of dollars hinge manufacturers charge for each template. Improve the speed and quality of your work by installing your hardware with the Shaper system. Find out more about why professionals install their hardware with the Shaper system by visiting shapertools.com.